In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jasper AI for blog writing. We're going to walk through a simple workflow that starts on the home screen and ends with a solid list of blog post ideas you can use right away. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to get clear, usable results. First, open the Jasper app in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Once you're in, head to the home area. If you're not already there, look to the left side panel and click Home. This brings you to the main dashboard where the core tools are gathered and easy to reach. On the home page, find the Ask Anything box. This is Jasper's conversational input, the place where you give instructions in plain language and get fast, focused output. Click into that field so it's active and ready for your prompt. Now, type your prompt. Clear, specific instructions are the key to getting great results. You want to include your topic, your audience, and the format you want. For example, type, "Give me 10 blog post ideas about weight loss for beginners." This tells Jasper the subject, the intended readers, and the kind of output you want, a list of ideas. If you like, you can add helpful context right in the same line, details like the tone you prefer or a niche angle, but the core structure should stay concise and direct. Once your prompt looks good, click Send or simply press Enter. Jasper will process your request and return a set of blog ideas within a moment. You should see a clear, organized list you can scan quickly. Look through the results and note the variety. Some may focus on getting started, others on common pitfalls, and a few might suggest practical routines or mindset tips. The goal here is to spark a content plan you can build on. If the ideas feel too broad or not quite right, refine your wording in the same Ask Anything box and send it again. Small changes, like specifying the audience's challenges or the length you're aiming for, can dramatically improve the suggestions. Keep your instructions plain, actionable, and free of fluff so Jasper can stay focused. That's the full flow. Open Jasper, go to Home, click Ask Anything, type a clear prompt like "Give me 10 blog post ideas about weight loss for beginners," and hit Send. With this simple process, you can generate strong content starters in seconds and move straight into drafting with confidence.